Hi everyone, it's Deb Monty here, creator of Monty Extensions and Academy, and I want to welcome you to my online course. Let's get started. You want to start about a ½ inch to an inch away from their perimeter. So I'm going to start about right here. We're going to learn the whys before we do the how. I'm really excited to share this portion of our video with you today, which is the installation. When I insert the bead, you want it to be nice and snug. You want to make sure there's no weird over direction. We just finished the last row. We are going to do a removal, hold the extension, and just lift the bead up. So we're not pulling anything, we're just simply lifting. Clients may come to you with some tangles. Not a big deal at all. I want to show you guys now how to retip because you can put these right back in. Today we're going to show you an installation of tape-in extensions. I'm going to layer a light and a dark to create a really pretty blend. I like to hold it, place it, and squeeze. Here is a tape-in that we're going to show you how to do a removal on. You can see with our tape there's no sticky residue.
So you're going to make a nice little U shape here. Make sure it's nice and secure before you continue to move on.
I want you guys to see what will happen if I take a large bead and I put in a small extension.